Ships of an alien source are approaching from the sky. Radio contact has been attempted but cannot be established. Instructions are to prepare for an attack by an unknown enemy.
Fofo bulldog, my pet. I pointed at you and tell it fetch. I'm f***ing.
Alright, don't be looking down.
Kill us all. Take cover, everybody. Wow, CJ. Not enough at all. Oh, nasty.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
yeah.
It's taking a turn.
Taste it. Nope.
It looks nasty.
I don't know, maybe the dish soap is a really cool idea. Bryce, no. Bryce, no.
Bryce,
no.
Get it over here.
No, it looks like a volcano now.
Yeah, it really
it
does.
looks like
Look
there's
at
a vein in it.
Oh,
It looks like it's like going right over everything.
it
Perfect.
kind of looks like it's gonna fall down.
Yep, I
Perfect.
think the dish soap is what we need to make certain we use next time.
Because it's making it go slower. And
Prior to the real thing.
And it's
Experiment
gonna make it
prior
look
to the
like
real one, yep.
volcanoes are going down.
Alright, this is cool.
Oh, we need to make
I think we give it a little
splatter.
help.
Ew!
Wait, I'm gonna go pour it out on the street. Fun.
Am I videotaping this?
Cool. Yeah, you're gonna videotape.
Oh, Lord.
Come on, Hector.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about all that.